Ni hao and welcome back guys to my lifestyle vlog. My name is Timo Bolte from Bolte Event Design, and as you can see I'm already dressed as a tiger because the new year is quite ahead and it's the year of the tiger. So quite popular at the moment as a little giveaway are these little hat boxes, and I just want to show you guys how to do it on your own. So when you're invited you can just bring your own little flower box. So get it started, get these boxes, you can get them on most places around, and get a piece of this flower foam, drop it on the water and let it slightly soak. Just wait until it went all the way down. Don't push it underwater, don't put any pressure on it, because this will just affect that the air is going to be stuck in and closed, and that when you put in the flowers they will not have enough water to soak. So just give it a bit of time and put it on side until the brick is fully underwater, and then we can continue. Meanwhile, just get our flowers ready. You can take whatever you want, quite seasonal. I would like to start with some tulips, maybe some this beautiful clematis from Manjipa, they're quite seasonal. Some of this black sporum outside from the garden, and just to give it a little bit of brightness I want to use some of this viburnum. So oasis is already ready now for us. So take the brick, and it fits already in here. I like to have some space around so I can top up with water just to make it a bit longer lasting, and the flowers are perfectly conditioned. Now you can choose if you want to work very low, so in the end you can put your head, the lid on, and if you remove it you have the flowers. What I personally like, I like to have it a bit open to have more space, and then we can start just green it up and cover the flower foam with our greenery. You can also use something brighter, whatever you feel like. Matching to this dark velvet, I was thinking to go in a bit deeper colors to have it a bit more luxury, a bit more expensive look, and then brighten it up with some of this viburnum. So, tulips will grow with the time, so make sure you use them quite short because they're going to grow out anyway. To make it more interesting, just make some highs and deeps, not everything on the same height, like it's growing in the garden, and some groupings of the flowers. I'll make it even more interesting, because when you look in the garden there's nothing equal, nothing the same. When they naturally grow, there's always some groupings of flowers, and this look we try to create in our arrangement as well, with this beautiful new little clematis growing out of this arrangement. Some more of this tulips. This could also be very interesting if you use some bulbs and make an actual planted design. I really like these boxes because they're quite handy. You don't have to think about to find any vase or vessel, and you just can take them with you wherever you go, especially when you're invited in a restaurant or public space. You don't have to worry that your flowers need some water because it's already all taken care of. So, just a bundle of tulips. You can also find some very good ones already at the supermarket or on the street market. You don't necessarily have to go to your to your florist, but of course when you go to your florist, you find much nicer and different varieties, like the filled ones or this old Dutch tulips. Just important is that when you stick them in the vases, you stick them very deep so they can soak enough water. The same with clematis. Push them really, really deep in so they can soak all the water and stay for a few days. So we're already nearly done with the design. I like to have it quite reduced, quite simple, not too many different types of flowers, so we can even more focus on the single beauty of the flower. To have a little bit of a New Year's greeting, I want to involve a little tiger. I take a wire, stick it in the end, and then with these two legs we can add it on the side, and when we want we can make with a wire a little hook, add the lid, and we are already here with a beautiful little takeaway arrangement you can bring over when we are invited to say our neighbors and family Happy New Year. I hope you had fun. Just leave me your comments down there or press like if you want to see it more of these designs. Just subscribe my channel. I'm looking forward to see you on another episode. Thank you for watching. My name is Timo. See you soon.